In front of me is Xiaomi Mix Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called DevCheck Device and System Info from Flare to Developer. When your app is ready, launch it. Then, thanks to it, learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!